Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be removing the rear window from a 2000 S40. I'm sure this is the same for a lot of these Ned Volvo cars. First thing you want to do is pry out the cap over that screw, remove that screw, reach inside that knob, remove that screw, and then you pull that tab off, remove that screw, pull that tab off, remove that screw. Next, you jerk the door panel off by grabbing the pocket on the bottom, or you can use a clip puller and find the clips and pull them. I'll show you where the clips are after I get it off. I'm just going to take it and pull it loose. Once you get it loose, next you want to work this up and unplug the window switch from it. Squeeze the tabs, pull it in. Then when you pull the door panel off, you'll have to work this trim piece off. Like that. Now you pull the panel loose from the tabs. Lift it up and over the window. And if you want to try to get those tabs with a trim piece puller, there are 4 of them. And the door there in those positions. Actually, there's 2 more. One here, one here. Those actually came loose from the panel, so you might want to use a trim puller to get at those. Window to the proper height, so you can get at these 2 screws. You got one here and one down there. You need to get it lined up with this hole here. So let me raise the window a little bit to get that up there. The red and the green wire powers the window. If you put power on red and ground on green, that lowers it. If you put power on green and ground on red, that raises it. So I raised the window a little bit so I could get that T30 or T40 where I need it. Now I'm going to undo those 2 screws. Next I'm going to pull this trim off. It just pulls out of there. After that, I'm going to pull these window trims up and out of the way. I'm going to remove this screw and that 10mm next. That should let me get that outside weather stripping out. That screw and that bolt got that triangle off there. Not sure if that really has to come off, but this screw here will get that trim loose on this back side. See if I need anything else to get it off along the front side. I don't think there's a screw up there, but let me check. Yep, another screw up there. Take those 2 screws off, Phillips. That exterior trim piece popped right off. Now, I think you actually have to take the weather stripping out to get this glass to slide out, because it won't come all the way out with this weather stripping in there. So let me pull this weather stripping out. Just got to grip it somehow. Get it started, work it out of the door frame. Still couldn't get the window out. I found another screw right here that controls this part of the track. You got to get that part of the track out the way to get the window out. So that's it. Now the window is up and out. Reverse everything and put it back. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.